What's going on, guys? So, unfortunately, we got a broken valve cover gasket. I got puddles of oil dripping from the block. Luckily, it is an easy fix, and I just got back from AutoZone getting the part. So, I'm gonna let this thing cool off, and I guess we'll do put a new valve cover gasket on it. Hopefully this fixes it. Okay, so I went on ahead and took all the nuts and bolts out off of it. They're all sitting nicely right here, and here. Those up here are the ignition coils. You got the two long ones that go down in these two holes, and then all around, it just takes a simple 10mm ratchet. But let's go ahead and pop it off, see what we got to work with. Go and take this guy off. It's still hot. Get off of there. Oh boy. I can't really see where it's fouled, but we'll replace it regardless. Go and get that cleaned off, get the valve cover cleaned off too. There we go. Yeah, nice and loose there. And go ahead and pull it off. Everything's still looking pretty good. Yeah, that tore right off. That shouldn't have tore off that easily. This entire thing's full of oil. Lovely. Pull this sucker off too. Yeah, well, that's still hot. Hey, well, I'm gonna get the new one opened, have it set in. Be right back. Alright, I got the new gasket nice and seated in the cover, and went on ahead and wiped off the area that's going to be applied to. And next is just throwing her back on there, putting the bolts back on. Hey, got the valve cover back on. Now it's just time to put the nuts and bolts back in. I'm going to start doing that right here. Seems like a simple fix, nothing too major. Alright, I'm gonna go and get this screwed in. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm losing daylight. I got all the nuts and bolts back in. Now I just gotta put the coils back on, plug them back in, everything else nice and buttoned up. But yeah, that's pretty much how you change the valve cover gasket. Not a hard fix, anybody can do it. Just this is on a '09 Silent TC, so I'm pretty sure most of little 4-cylinder cars is pretty much going to be a 10 millimeter. But that'll do it for this video. Give a like if you like this video. Be sure to subscribe. I have some good stuff coming to this car pretty soon. I'm gonna get this all nice and cleaned up and buttoned up and ready to go. But yeah, thank you for watching. Have a good day.